Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn how to perform arithmetic operations using a Servlet. So now we are writing a Servlet code to perform arithmetic operations. Okay, like arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo division. Okay, we are performing these operations, right? So what are the required files for this? So again, here first one is index.html. Index.html for the form that consists of the number, first number, second number, followed by a select box or list where the user can select one operator from that and perform the operation. And just like calculator servlet or arithmetic servlet, dot it is used to perform the operations. Read the form parameters, read two numbers and operators, then perform the operations. And as usual, web.xml file. Okay, right. So let's start with index.html, and I created a folder with the name Servlet program 6. Okay, and index.html is there. So I need to modify this one here. Index.html, and action will be anything, right? Here action will be simply calculator, and method equals to get. Why don't I use post? Because there is no sensitive information, so that is the reason here I am writing get method only. Okay, alright. And next one here, if you want to write anything, you can write it simply. I am not writing anything here. Then instead of username, we can write enter the first number. Enter the first number. Okay. And input type equals to text, then name equals to t1. So in the same way, we can enter the second number as well. Just copy paste this. Enter the second number. And it is identified by using T2. T1 and T2 are used for identification of these two numbers. And after that, we need to select any operator. Just label select any operation. Okay, and close the label. So how do we create a list? By using select. Okay. And how do you identify this? By using name attribute, just like this operator. I can use the name called operator for identification purpose, and it consists of option tag followed by value. Okay, value initially it is nothing, empty one. Okay, it is simply empty one because I can write select any operator. Means if I select this one, it cannot able to perform any operation. Okay, just like option close, and we can write some options over here with the value, like 5 operations I am writing. Okay, so first one is value is plus, second minus, this is the value is returned, then star symbol, then modulo division symbol, then followed by modulo division. Okay, and what is the content? Here you can write, this is for just like add and subtract. Then next one is multiplication, simply we can use mul, and then division, and finally remainder. Okay, right, and close the select. And input type equals to submit, and value equals to just like you can write anything. Yeah, show output is just like show, that is displayed on the button. Okay, this is HTML form, index.html, action equals to cal. another equals to get, right? And next we have to write the code, that is calculator servlet. Close this one, go to web by NF and create a, go to the classes. Let's remove this and open this one, and just you can change whatever you want. Let's close this first, and I need to open with the notepad so you can easily understand the code. So why I am writing or typing the code in text notepad, because we are writing the program from scratch. That is the reason I always prefer notepad. Okay, right. So public class name is calculator servlet, CALC, let's say cal servlet, extends HTTP servlet, and the method which we need to implement is get method, not post method, and these two are common. And next thing is, here we need to read the data from HTML file and perform the operations. So to read the data from HTML file, we need to use, just like here I am taking string for num1. Okay, and why I am taking string, because request dot get parameter, it always return a string, but we have to perform arithmetic operation, so we need to convert into integer by using single statement. Also we can write it. So first one is identified by using t1, okay, and same you can write it here. The second one is identified by using t2. Okay, let's say here this is generally, this method get parameter returns string, but we are performing arithmetic operations on string, we won't get accurate results. So we need to convert into integer. So here it is a Java code, and we know that how to convert a string into integer. So by using integer dot parse int, that is used to convert string into integer type. So integer dot parse int. Now everything is converted, text is converted to integer. Okay, but there is a situation we may not enter a number. Okay, we can also enter a string. That time it is showing a number format exception. Okay, so sometimes we may also get exceptions. At this time we can also get a number format exception. When the number format exception is occurred, if you don't enter a number other than the number, you enter a text, you can handle it by using try and catch blocks. Okay, yeah. And next one, also read the operator. So it is always a string op equals to, no need to convert the operator. And what is the name I have used for that is get parameter. I think it is operator. Okay, right. So we have to read three values. First one number 1, and then number 2, then operator. Right now we are performing the operations according to the operator is given. Right. So you can use switch case, or you can use if else. You can use any kind of conditional statements here. Okay, I am just using switch case, switch off OP, right? And here case plus, right? If it is plus, then we need to declare one variable, result variable. Okay, we need to just declare a result variable in string, right? String res equals to empty string, we can declare it. So here if it is plus, then result value will be like this, result equals to the sum of, just I am writing the complete statement here, the sum of number 1. So number 1 I need to pass print as a value, num1 and open the double quotes and sum of num1 and then num2, right? Okay, then again is okay. Right, so num1 plus num2. So this is the result. Okay, all right, close it and apply break. This is for case addition. Okay, so in the same way we can write for case subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division, and apply the exception handling mechanism also, that you can try from your end. Okay, minus, and here the difference of, you can simply write the difference of num1 and num2 is num1 minus num2. Okay, yeah, yes. Next one, this is for multiplication, and the multiplication of num1 and num2 is, then simply you can write num2. And when we are performing division operation, we need to worry about the second value. If num2 is 0, we will get arithmetic exception. Okay, so that you must be taken care. So simply here I am writing the division of num1 and num2 is num1 by num2. And for the modular division here also, you should take care about the second number, that is denominator. It will not be 0. And the remainder of, simply you can write remainder or modular division of num1 and num2 is by num2. Okay, and here we can close the switch case, and result is stored. Okay, this is the stored in result. Now we need to display a result. Okay, here I have declared the variable res, simply you can use result. Okay, right, now how to display it? By using out.println. Out.println in h2 or h1 we can display it. Okay, in h1. Okay, I'm just displaying in h1. Okay, yes. Close the double quotes. Okay, or you can also use plus the result and plus the h1 type. So here we need to open the double quotes and close the double quotes. That's it. This is the code. Let me align it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me run this, and before that we need to write web.xml file, and here the class name is Servlet. Okay, let's say this one with Servlet dot java and all files. Okay, close this one and remove this, then Servlet, and in web.xml file we need to change the Servlet name as well, right? So simply here you can use any name. Here for calculator, just I'm using CAL, and this is the Servlet for Servlet, CALC Servlet, and parameters are not required. Remove these parameters, and Servlet mapping, it is CAL as a Servlet name given, and here this is just for calculator. Simply we can use CAL. Yeah, that's it. Save this one and close. Now we need to compile this. Go to command prompt, check it, cal java c space filename.java. So no errors, compiled successfully. Now go to this exam server, open admin, and the name of the program, name of the project is Servlet 6, Servlet program 6, right? And username is admin, password is password. Yeah. Servlet program 6, it is true, and click on this, and it is simply asking first number, second number, and select any operator, right? These are the operators, and we are providing the values as these operator symbols. Okay, first number is 10 and the second number is 5. Let's say here we can perform multiplication, then click on this, and multiplication of 10 and 5 is 50. Go back, and we did not write a default statement, right? So we won't get any answer for that because the result is initially empty. Okay, and add, it is 15, and perform subtraction. You can change the values as well. Okay, you can just refresh it, and the values will be your 107. So select the operation as division. Okay, and it is 14, and also select the operation as remainder. So the remainder is 2. Okay, thank you for watching this.